Evropska pot se za naše pubece v sezoni 25-26 ni šla po načrtih. Madžarski Paksi je bil v 2 obračunih boljši za gol. V Ljudskem vrtu se je sicer končalo z 1-1, s skupnim seštevkom 2-1 pa v naslednji krog kvalifikacij napredujejo Madžari. Tu so najzanimivejši trenutki včerajšnjega obračuna.
Smo razočarani. Že neka želja je bila prisotna, ampak to ni bilo dovolj. Potrebno bi bilo neke mirnosti v zadnji tretjini. Pač mogli bi zaključiti že v prvem polčasu. Imeli smo priložnosti, ki nismo realizirali in seveda pol do ne da dobi. Mislim, da ta njihov gol nas je nekako presekal. Na koncu smo poskušali, ampak žal se ni šlo na našo korist.
We knew their qualities, but in this kind of two-leg games, the episodes are deciding. Unfortunately, in the episodes that we had our goal chances, we could not realize it. In maybe especially in Hungary, we could take a big advantage, but then home we could turn it over. Actually, we had also a moment that the tie was drawn with 1-1. And then we could also score maybe second half to 2-0 to finish it and have even more advantage. We could then find much more spaces. But second half we conceded an early goal, which should not happen. At the end of the day, my players give their best effort. and I am especially very sorry also for them because they give their best effort to qualify. We could manage it. From now on, from tomorrow on, there is only thing one to do, to give a reaction on Sunday and concentrate totally for the league.